Hi, my name's Kerry, and we are in the lower level of our building. And I've been on a mission to make everything in this building smart. Everything uses the Tuya app, T-U-Y-A. So I've got a furnace upstairs, it's got a Tuya thermostat. All of the lights upstairs are smart as well. And that's why I picked up this. We're in the lower level of our unit. We're putting some carpet down and some flooring. We're doing some updates. And that's why I got this. I wanted something to smartly, intelligently heat and air condition this space once we finish with the flooring and the carpet and updating it. That's why I picked this up. It's from Classic America. Classic America, it's a split type heat pump with air conditioner with Wi-Fi control. That's the thing I'm most excited about. It has the Wi-Fi control, so if I'm not at home, I can check on my phone, I can see the temperature down here. I can raise the temperature, I can lower the temperature. I can use the Tuya app and I can put schedules on so that this comes on at certain times, or it'll even come on at a certain temperature. Maybe my other furnace that's in the other room kicks on, or the temperature goes down too low, I can have the heat come on. Or the temperature goes up too high, I can have the air conditioning come on. I'm really excited for this. It looks like it's a great company. It's called Classic America. This came delivered, and I just took all the plastic off of it and all of this off of it. It was really, really well packaged. Right now, I'm going to unbox it. I'm really excited to take a closer look and share with you what's in the boxes. And then, once we finish this room and install the unit, I'll do an update video. But I thought it'd be very important so that you could see along with me what comes in the boxes, how is it packaged, and what to expect. So you can see the top unit. So this is a ductless mini split. It's from Classic America. And let me pull this out so we can get a better look. This is the unit that's going to mount inside the house on the wall. And then you have the compressor, which is going to go on the outside. First thing we can see here is we have the energy efficient sticker on here. So we can see how energy efficient it is. Heating pump, cooling, and heating split systems. It shows you the heating efficiency rating. This one is at a 10.0, which is pretty good. It's right in the middle. 8.2 is a lower efficient one, so this one's at a 10, which is significantly higher than that. So we're going to pop this out of the box and take a closer look. All right, so we got the top part out of the box, and comes with some nice lengths of wire, already wrapped with the terminals on it, so that's really nice. Comes with a clip, I think that's to hold the remote on the wall. Comes with the remote control. And it comes with the batteries and some screws. Batteries are in here. Here's the Wi-Fi function user manual. And then here's the split type air conditioner instruction manual. Really nice instruction manual. Comes with everything in color. Or not in color. It comes with everything, a nice illustrated diagram. Shows you the indoor unit display, how to program everything, how to operate everything. And then this is really nice too. So it's Wi-Fi controlled, right? So I'm going to be able to control it on my phone, but it also comes with this, and it gives you this nice little clip here too. So you can clip the remote, say, up against the wall, and you'll have this remote here as well as using your smartphone. Just in case maybe you have a guest over, someone that doesn't have this programmed into their phone, they could just grab the remote and use that. I'm going to take some of this plastic off because I want to really get a closer look at this. This is a big unit, really, really nice. It's got like a metal strip on the top, so it looks nice. I like the design of it. I believe, pull that off there. It's got the Classic America logo right there. Oh, and then this pops up. So you can kind of see inside of the front of the unit. This front part pops up. There's screens all on here to protect it, kind of like an air filter, so you're not going to get any debris in there. So when it's mounted, it's going to be mounted on the wall like this. And you're only going to see this bottom part of it, and you have these flaps here to control the air coming out of the bottom. Now if we take a look at the back of the unit right here. On the back of the unit we have this big bracket which can be used to mount this to the wall, which is very important because it's a heavy unit, you want to have it mounted properly, so it comes with that. And then here's the copper line coming off of it. That's going to run to the outside unit, which is in here, the compressor unit. So we're going to open that box next, but so far I'm really impressed. This thing is heavy duty, and it's much larger than I imagined in my head. They've even taken the time to wrap insulation around the copper lines to protect them and keep them nice and weather, keep the temperature in, keep them insulated. So we're going to set this back in the box, and we'll be right back. We're going to take a look at the other box with the compressor in it. That's the part that's going to go on the outside. So the indoor part of the unit we just showed you, we put off to the side here. I've got the instructions out so I can take a closer look at those. This is the bottom part. Again, it's a 24,000 BTU unit. This is the outdoor part of the unit. So let's take a closer look and see what this looks like. This whole process, unboxing and taking a closer look, also just helps me when I'm planning the installation. The thing that's really nice with this unit is it's pre-charged. So a lot of times you put in an air conditioning unit, you got to have an HVAC guy come out and pump the Freon into the system. This one's pre-charged, you don't have to do that. This is like plug and play, you set it up, you put the power to it, and you're ready to use it, which is really, really nice. So here is the compressor unit. Oh, this is big. Think of how I can do this. I'm gonna cut the side of this because I don't want to fully take this. I don't want to fully commit to this yet. Maybe I'll cut the front out and then we can take it back on. All right, so here's what we got. Wow, the box just comes off. That's kind of nice. So, we have the lines. These are really nice too. They fully insulated these, double insulated. We have two lines, so I'm assuming one of them comes in and goes to the unit on the inside, and then one of them returns, so they'll pass the Freon back and forth. One of them is larger than the other. Compresses that gas in the compressor, and then it sends it back to the unit. Wow, this is a nice looking unit. So, if you're looking at the back end of it, I'll turn it around so you can see the front. Here's the front of the unit. That is what is going to go outside. Really nice, fully enclosed in metal, big grate. It's like a powder coated grate, so it's not going to rust. It's got some big legs on the bottom of it with holes to mount it, so you can mount it on a pad or probably on a metal shelf. What else do we got here? We got some extra tubing and insulation. There's some plastic in here and there's some tape. And this is all to help you install it and to run a line back from the unit so that it can drain. Really nice looking unit. So it looks like all of our fittings are here on the side. We'll take the camera off the tripod so we can give you a closer look here. So I really like this setup. They've put plastic weatherproof covers over here, so your electricity is going to go in here, and then your lines get run into here. And you can see right here, this is all covered in plastic. There's the smaller one, the larger one. Phillips head screwdriver, you can remove it to gain access to it. And then what we're going to end up doing, taking the end of this, screwing it into there, attaching it, and then this is going to run through the window, through the exterior of the building, into the house, and then into the unit that's on the wall. So we're going to have the two lines, and then we're going to have the electricity. I'm going to pop this off and take a closer look. We'll show you that as well. I'm just going to take this off, take a closer look at the electrical connections. They have weatherproof plastic cover, and then there's some knockout protection here for the wire. And these are rubber, so your rubber can go in there, but they're protected from the weather. Here we have our sticker from Classic America. This is an 18 SEER mini split air conditioner. It's the SEER rating is 18. It's 24,000 BTU for heating and cooling capacity. It's 208 to 230 volts, 60 hertz, and then it shows the total input current for cooling is 14 amps and for heating is 14 amps. Gives you some info about the compressor. It's RLA 13.4, and it shows you everything you need on there in terms of the specs for the unit. Really nice. So we have a wiring diagram on the bottom, and then these are the rubber proof connectors here, so when your wires come through here, they're completely protected. They've even got a little screw here, so you can put the wires through here, through the hole, and then screw them down, and then they'll screw into the lines here. So you have 1, 2, 3, and then you have L2 and L1. And it comes with all the directions for the installation, so this is something you could, of course, hire an electrician to do, or if you're handy and you know what to do yourself, you can do it yourself. They've also got a nice gasket around this. This is all metal. So really, really nice quality unit here. This device uses the Tuya app. which is TUYA. It's a smartphone app, and there's all sorts of thermostats, lights, plugs that use the Tuya app. It's really simple to use. So once we install this unit, we will put it into here, and we might have to focus the camera so you can see that, but this is my current building we're in right now, and that's the Tuya app. And for example, here's a little heater I have upstairs. It's actually an electric heater. I could just press that. It takes a second and then it'll open up. You can see it's 73 degrees where the heater is. I can change the temperature here and here. I can change the fan speed. That's just the most basic part. You can go on, I'll be able to go on this unit, turn it on with the remote control, or I'll be able to do it in the phone. But the really fun part is you can set up all sorts of scenes and rules. So this building is a commercial building. It's a movie theater. And when we have a movie at 7 o'clock, I like everything to be on at 6 o'clock. I want the heat to come on. I want the lights to come on. I want the plugs to turn on. Well, I can just set up a scene in here. I can press one button and it'll go on. Or even better yet, I don't even have to press a button. I can just schedule it. I could say every Friday we have a movie at 7, so at 6 o'clock, turn all of these devices on. You can do that all in the Tuya app. And this device uses the Tuya app. So that's really exciting. It'll save you a ton of money over time too, because if you don't have that, you're going to end up turning this thing on 70 degrees and it's just running all week. Maybe you're not even here or using the unit. With the phone, you can just check and be like, oh, it's still running right now. You can turn it down. You can be way, way more energy efficient and save money. So I'm really impressed with this thing. I can't wait to get it installed. It's going to be a little while because we're still working on the building, but we're going to definitely do an update video. But first impressions unboxing, really impressive. Big thumbs up.